Here it is. We got the 1986 Honda 350X. And figured I'd grab a quick little video before taking off. Hoping to grab a few acceleration, idle, and rev videos with the stack exhaust, because today might be throwing on the DG full exhaust. So we got the jets right there, got a rear brake caliper, and we got the sticker kit as well. I'm gonna give another cleaning, do another oil change, just make sure it's all good. Wanted to clean it out, it's been sitting for a bit. Yeah, let's dig into her.